Look, there's a little bit of sunshine. And everything else is like, bleh. Okay. So, there's a pile. Can I make it smaller so you can see? No. Okay, well, there's the pile. There's a little pile. I guess all these. And I've done that. Covered as best I can and removed as many sticks as possible with my tools. It's quite difficult. You can see the one I did yesterday. The water's holding it down, so I guess it's kind of good. But yeah. So the white part, that bit with the white wood, is where the hole is. It's not hollow, but it's not filled either, so don't step in it. But yeah, so this is what our garden currently looks like. I've done what I can to cover things up. I think I'll leave that edge over there. And this bit. Still less for us to do when we come back. Hopefully it won't be as much as last time. But yeah, so I'm gonna get my tools because I don't want to forget. But I'm gonna keep an eye on it and see what it's like tomorrow. If I need to do anything else. If I need to put anything down, to hold it down in place. So I'll get an idea by tomorrow morning, and then I can see if I need to put down any more of these roof things. There's plenty of them. Okay, so there you go. That is the garden. That is me. Time for dinner. Bye. So, next time I come, I don't need to bring a light. I have enough, I think I have enough of these things. I don't need to bring a headset, because I've got a headset here. I do need to bring a camera, because these two cameras will be going back with me. I don't need a chair. I've got a chair, a mat, a mouse, all these other things here. Is great. I don't need to bring them, but I'm going to go through what is in the drawers so I don't forget. So we've got one of those big baggy things. We've got one of these pluggy things. I have my toot replacement, pen, matches, some chewing gum, some paper. Over here I have some pens. I've got a tablet here. Well, not a tablet, what's it called? Drawing tablet, yeah. A drawing tablet here with the pen and the charger and everything. I've got computer glasses, another one of those USB thingies. I think so. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, and then in here I have some art stuff. Carefully. I've got an extra light. I've got calligraphy pens. I've got some tape. I think I'm leaving this camera here. Okay, so there will be one camera here, so I'll just need to bring the one. I've got some paint here, a travel set of paint. I need to buy it when I go back because I won't have any. And what else? This is for Wi-Fi stuff. So yeah, so I'll leave one camera here. So that means I need to buy another camera because I don't have one. Okay, So that's there. I've got a notebook to do some writing in. I've got some color pencils. I'm just leaving it here. I've got a tablet, an iPad, and charger for said iPad. And this is telephone wire in case we need it for extending the Wi-Fi stuff. There's another thing here I think I got from doing the chair. So I've got a carpet for underneath my desk. I've got footpad things. I think next time what I do need is another one of these extension things, because maybe one from the UK, because then I can plug the normal stuff and not have to have the adapter. So if I get one from the UK and then use one adapter in here, then I can plug in all my usual stuff. So yeah, that's an idea. Yeah, sofas here. Gardening stuff, I think they're all good. No problem with. Shoes wise is fine. I don't have many shorts here. This is coming with me. This is my not car snack, but my bus snacks. Okay, what else? I got my ukulele here. I got some clips here. I got a foot paddy thing here. I've got some coins. I have left a backup laptop, and I'll put this coin down here. There is some tobacco over there in the back, in one of those sealed things. And yeah. What else? Kitchen-wise, so this is what we have in the cupboards. The soy sauce has not been opened, the rice has not been opened. Well, this rice has, but there's another one in the back. But it was fine when I got back here. There's oil. There's some pasta, some noodles, some gum. Some more coffee. Some candles, some more pots, some lights. Nothing up there. No. I'll be doing the dishes in a bit. Some extra bin bags. There's a stove. I need to clean the microwave. We got some extra towels here. We got more bags here. Our knife set, some cutlery, plates, and bottled water. Oh, some cutlery. Oh, good. Oh, that is an idea. Okay, cool. And let's see, the bedroom. I tidied away everything already, and yeah, I just need some last minute bits. So all the blankets and the pillows are in there. This purple bag's my dirty clothes, on top of Mikey's dirty clothes. I bought some more toilet paper. So we've got toilet paper. Oh, that might need to go in the dirty clothes bag. Yeah, I got some extra toilet paper, so I just finished the last row. Things, I need to tidy that up. I will do. Bathroom wise, there's a rug on the floor, there's a rug on thing. I think I'll hang it somewhere, like on the door or something. Yeah, washing, body wash. I might put some bleach in here as well. I'll tidy that up. Get a last minute video soon. And I've swept up this room. Left it open a little bit just for it to get some air in it. I'll close it up before I go. And is so far the ceiling. Unfortunately, I have noticed. What did I notice? Where is it? I'll show it in the video. I have started noticing these, and I don't know. So they're a little bit raised, as you can see. I don't know if this is due to the water or what. Because there's also one over here. And I think there was one up here somewhere. I can't remember where. But yeah, things to think about.